EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for October 22nd, 2020. Much like yesterday, we're going to have mostly cloudy skies to start today and some areas of fog. We had the fog developing again overnight, and it didn't take long to build back in after it burned off. And in some places, it took all day, or most of the day, the majority of the day, to burn off. And it quickly filled back in last evening, and we have a little bit of temperature inversion that we're dealing with, and this is not an uncommon thing in the fall months, especially when we get to the middle of fall. We have a struggle of temperatures aloft versus temperatures of the surface, and one trying to cool faster than the other, and then you have some fog as a result with some low-level moisture trapped beneath that layer. So we're having that areas of fog and clouds this morning, and then it will, in some places, it'll take a very long time to burn off yet again. And we see that on the NAM Future Simulated Satellite, and we start off early in the morning at 8 o'clock in the morning, and you have clouds across the region and fog. As we move through the day, though, it starts to burn off here in northeast PA, north central Pennsylvania, and even to some extent the northern parts of east central PA. But you can see a big area of still overcast skies down here by the Delaware Valley into across most of New Jersey, at least the southern two-thirds of New Jersey, and parts of Delaware and Maryland here. So it may never completely erode in those areas. Okay, so we're going to have some clouds and fog kind of hanging tough here for parts of the afternoon and evening, and this will continue to build in overnight, and then it looks like Friday is going to be another mostly cloudy day with an onshore flow in place. So the clouds have been an issue in some places over this past week, and it's going to continue through the remainder of the work week, and we're going to have very warm temperatures where the sun does come out today. Temperatures are going to be the middle 70s, but we're under those clouds are probably stuck in the 70, 72 degree range, as will be the case down here by Philadelphia today. So if you look at our local forecasts, the warmest temperatures will actually be found up north here by the Wilkes-Barre, Scranton area all the way over to State College, and about mid-70s in the middle, and then get down here by Philadelphia, it's actually, we're forecasting a high of 73 because of those clouds that we expect to be in place today. But no precipitation today or tomorrow. The only precipitation you may see is some spotty drizzle, but the drizzle would be associated with any fog that you have. Okay, so it's not part of an organized system. This would just be, I had some questions about that yesterday. They're like, oh, well, what do you mean there's no rain? It's raining here now. It's drizzling. Well, that's because there's fog. That's a different process entirely. It's not technically rain, but it was drizzling in a few areas, especially earlier in the morning when that fog was present, and that'll be the case again this morning and maybe again on Friday. So we get to Saturday and we have mostly cloudy skies still, and this time we have a cold front that's approaching the region. You can kind of see where this is right about here, and it's moving toward the region. It's going to have very little precipitation with it, though, so we are leaving a stray shower in the forecast here for Saturday, generally in the afternoon if this were to occur, and the front's going to move through in the evening hours, and then it's going to turn a lot cooler here on Sunday, just for a day though. Okay, so the temperature's going to be warmer over the next couple of days, especially today, but then we get to Friday and Saturday, we're looking at temperatures that are still warm, and then Sunday's going to be back down to the upper 50s and near 60 for highs as a very quick shot of cool air comes in, but that is quickly eroded as the warm front is going to move through here Sunday night and Monday morning and bring a few showers to parts of the region. And then as we get in the Monday overnight period through Tuesday night, we have an opportunity for some scattered showers with the next cold front coming through. And this one here is the one that means business. This is going to bring on a more consistently cool air mass behind it. And when I say that consistently, I don't just mean a day or two or even 3. It looks like we're going to have cooler than average temperatures coming in on Wednesday of next week, and it's going to last straight through at least midway through the first week of November, maybe even longer than that. Okay, so it's going to take a little while, but there will be some showers along the frontal boundary here on Tuesday as this comes through Monday night and Tuesday, and then we have another little wave coming through overnight Tuesday night into very early Wednesday morning. So then Wednesday is just rendered clouds giving way to sun, and again those cooler temperatures settling in behind this. We're going to have much cooler temperatures that we've seen recently, and we're going to be probably about 20 degrees cooler with the highs compared to this week as we get into that same period I just spoke about. So this is right around the 28th or so, which is Wednesday, going straight through at least November 4th, maybe 5th, and then we start to moderate a little bit after that. But it looks like temperatures are going to be in the upper 40s to low 50s for highs for many of us during that stretch. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for October 22nd, 2020. Have a great Thursday.